Hey folks, so today we'll talk about the incredible journeys. And I don't know how often you face this problem in your life that you use some application and it was the early stage startup and mainly found the startup and all the things, but in some point they just drop your data, say, it was the incredible journey. We wish you good luck. You have months or two to download the zip of the some magic JSON files, and that's end of the story. So, and it's happened sometimes with the extremely popular products because they could be bought by Microsoft. And one of the examples of this incredible journeys was, for example, Wunderlist for me, that just guys made really cool product, but it doesn't exist anymore. And how we could build the software that could prevent these incredible journeys. It's a long topic, and I have already a couple of videos about the localfirst, and I'm talking about the self-sovereign identity for the long time and the data ownership and sovereignty. And this data ownership, sovereignty, and the localfirst, they share a lot of core values. And all these values, it's about the data ownership, but it's just not enough to have your data on your hands. If you're not able to do anything with this data, it's just a garbage. So together with the sovereign data, we need to have the sovereign compute. And together with the data, we need to have the applications that are capable to work on top of this data. Because if I will give you, instead of application, just SQLite database with all your data and say good luck, right now we out of the operation, then it's not the worst case scenario. It's still interoperable format. It's better than the bunch of some magic JSON files in a zip. But still, is it what you really want? You just want to have the application that you love, the application where you invest all your efforts and time to build this data set, stay with you. And maybe this product will not have some new features, but still it will be able to give you some service that you rely on. And it means that we need to build the applications local first. And local first is not about offline capabilities. It's about ability to work with your data, and all the logic stay mainly on the application side. It doesn't mean that you don't have the servers to operate. Sometimes you still need the cloud function, so I still believe on the hybrid setup. But the local first applications actually is the answer how to prevent these incredible journeys, because you have a version of the software that you're able to run, or maybe some infrastructure pieces that required to run this application, but you could maybe self-host them and reconfigure your app to use instead of company setup, your own setup. So it's already too much tech savvy, but it's an answer that the sovereign data need not only the ability to store and interrupt. The sovereign data needs the ability to act on top of this data, and it works extremely well together with the interoperability, data manifesto, protocol-based applications. They all try to make the possibility to turn your data to more usable asset outside of the application. But what we could do when the application is necessary to make the meaning out of the data. And for this, we have the localfirst. It was an amazing conference in Berlin previous week. I really enjoyed it, and I will publish a couple of cool articles, and you will hear more from me about the localfirst in my videos. and it's really good tandem with the self-sovereign data. So that's all that I was keen to share with you today. Subscribe to our channels, follow our media, and let's stay connected. Choose.